to consider ninth one, cos x, integral cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Integral cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So how to integrate this function cos x by 1 plus cos x? See, we can see how we can simplify this. See, we can write like this, integral cos x. We can add in the numerator. We are going to add plus 1 and minus 1. So there will be no change. So cos x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So what we did, we wrote plus 1 and minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, no difference. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to split into two terms. So first term will be integral 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Then next term minus 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. So we split into two terms. First term 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Then minus 1 by 1 plus cos x, split into two terms. So now what is 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x? That is equal to integral 1. This is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos x. We want to integrate. So 1 we know how to integrate. So how to integrate 1 by 1 plus cos x? So again I told you 1 plus cos x. Everywhere when you see 1 plus cos x, you have to apply the formula. Remember what is 1 plus cos x? What is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2. Just now we applied 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Apply that formula. So for 1 by 1 plus cos x, I am going to substitute that formula. That is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Study that formula. So 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Then dx. Now we can integrate, simplify and integrate. So that is equal to integral. Again we have to simplify this term. So after simplifying this term also, we will do the integral. At the same step we will do integral of all the terms together. So first to simplify this, then we can find the integral. So integral 1 minus 1 by 2. Right, 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square x by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by cos. What is 1 by cos? Sec. So 1 by 2 into sec square x by 2. So 1 minus this 1 by 2 into 1 by cos sec square x by 2. So these are the two terms dx. Now we can find the integral. So that is equal to, now we will do the integral of each term. What is the integral of first term? Integral of 1x minus 1 by 2 into, what is the integral of sec square x by 2? Just now we wrote, what is the integral of sec square x? Tan x. Integral of sec square x tan x. Say sec square x by 2 tan x by 2 divided by derivative of x by 2. Just now last question we did. So that is tan x by 2 derivative integral of sec square x tan x. So integral of sec square x by 2 tan x by 2 divided by derivative of x by 2. What's the derivative of x by 2? 1 by 2. So we have to divide by 1 by 2. Divide by 1 by 2. So integral is over plus c. Now we can simplify and write x minus this half and this half we can cancel. So x minus tan x by 2 plus c. So that's the answer. Now next 10th one, integral sin raised to 4x dx. How to find the integral of sin raised to 4x dx? So we know how to find the integral of sin square x. Remember how to find the integral of sin square x? To find the integral of sin square x, we have to use the formula. What is the formula? Sin square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Like that we integrate. To integrate sin square x and cos square x, we have to apply those formula. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Similar, but here, this is sin raised to 4x. Sin cube x also we use the identity. Now, sin raised to 4x, how to find the integral? So, to find the integral of sin raised to 4x, we can write sin raised to 4x as integral sin square x whole square dx. So we have to write sin square x, sin raised to 4x sin square x whole square. Then we have to apply the formula of sin square x. What is the integral of sin square x? That is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. This is the formula for sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. cos square x 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2, sin square x 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So whole square we have to write. Whole square, sin square x is 1. Whole square, this square we have to write dx. Now we have to do, we have to expand a minus b whole square, we have to expand. So what is 1 by 2 square, we can write 1 by 4. That 1 by 4 we can take outside. And what is remaining inside the integral? 1 minus cos 2x whole square dx. So now we have to use the identity a minus b whole square. Apply the identity. 1 by 4 into integral a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is b square? Cos square 2x b square. So expanded. So all the three terms we have written dx. Now we have to integrate. This we know. Integral 1 we know. Integral 2 cos 2x we know. How to find the integral of cos square 2x? These two we can write directly. Cos square 2x, how we can find the integral of cos square 2x? Cos square. I told you whenever there is cos square x, sin square x, we have to use the identity. So here also again we have to use the identity for cos square 2x. What is cos square x? So remember what is cos square x? See, cos square x cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. Cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So what is cos square 2x? Cos square 2x equal to, in the place of x write 2x. So what is that? 1 plus cos, what we have to write? To x here, so in the place of x write 2x. So 2 into 2x, what is that? Cos 4x whole divided by 2. So cos square x 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. Cos square 2x 1 plus cos 4x whole divided by 2. 1 plus cos 4x whole divided by 2. So that is what we are going to substitute here. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into, because now here, so when you do the integral of all the terms. So integration we can do together for all the terms together. So make all the terms ready for integration, then we can find the integral. So that is why we are not writing now. Integral we are not writing now. Because this also we want to make into another form. Then only we can integrate. So first we write this formula, then only last we integrate. So integral, this integral 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x 1 plus cos 4x 1 plus cos 4x whole divided by 2. Then dx. So now we can find the integral of all the terms. So now we are going to integrate. So we'll write the integral. That is equal to 1 by 4 into. Now each term we are going to integrate. So integral. Find the integral. Integral of 1. What is integral of 1? X minus 2 into. What is integral of cos 2x? Sin 2x whole divided by 2. Integral of cos x, sin x. So what is integral of cos 2x? Sin 2x by 2 plus. Here there is 1 by 2. In the next two terms is 1 by 2 common. So we write plus 1 by 2 into bracket 1 by 2 into integral of 1. 1 by 2 we take outside. Then we write the integral. What is integral of 1? X plus. What is integral of cos 4x? Sin 4x by 4. By 4 only for that term. Remember that. So bracket 1 by 2 is for both these terms. Then big bracket plus c. So that is the answer. Now you can open the bracket. Each bracket you can open and simplify and write the answer. Okay then.